Quality assurance, or QA, focuses on the processes used to create products, ensuring that they are designed and implemented correctly. On the other hand, quality control, or QC, involves the actual testing and inspection of the final products to ensure they meet the required quality standards. GMP refers to the practices that ensure products are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. These practices are essential for compliance with regulatory requirements in the manufacture and sale of pharmaceutical products. Document the deviation immediately. Conduct a root cause analysis to identify the underlying issue. Implement corrective and preventive actions, or CAPA, to prevent recurrence and ensure all steps are documented for compliance. A QMS, or Quality Management System, is a formalized system that documents processes, procedures, and responsibilities for achieving quality policies and objectives. It helps coordinate activities to meet customer and regulatory requirements, improving overall effectiveness and efficiency. CAPA stands for Corrective and Preventive Action. It is crucial for identifying and addressing the root causes of quality issues, thereby improving processes and maintaining compliance with regulatory standards. QC ensures that pharmaceutical products meet specified standards of quality and safety. This includes testing raw materials, in-process materials, and finished products to detect and eliminate errors. Physical testing: hardness, friability, dissolution. Chemical testing: assay, impurities, stability testing. Microbiological testing: sterility, microbial limit tests. Validation ensures that processes, methods, or systems consistently produce results that meet predetermined criteria. It is essential for maintaining quality, consistency, and compliance with regulatory standards. Follow validated methods and standard operating procedures, or SOPs. Regularly calibrate instruments and conduct proficiency testing. Perform routine maintenance on equipment to ensure reliability. OOS refers to a test result that falls outside the established acceptance criteria. When an OOS result occurs, a thorough investigation is conducted to identify the cause, followed by appropriate corrective actions.